Let's learn to subtract across zeros with 1000 minus 345. And you can see our thousands block in the top left corner showing exactly what we're taking from. And then if I look all the way in the ones place, we always start in the ones place. I have 0 minus 5, which I can't do. So I need to break apart this thousands block and regroup. I broke apart the thousands block and made 10 hundreds. So by crossing out my 1, I then moved that 10 hundreds to the next place value on the right. But unfortunately, I still did not fix my ones place where I have these yellow question marks. So I have to do it again. So now we broke apart that first 100 into 10 tens, and I can see that with my yellow numbers. I have 10 tens right now instead of the 0 that I had before, and I got them from the place value on the left. I took one of those 10 hundreds, broke it apart, so now there's 9 hundreds, and I took that 10 stick over. Finally, I have to do it one more time in order to get enough ones to be able to start this problem, because we always start in the ones place. I took one of the tens from the 10 sticks that I had, so now there's 9 left. I break one of them apart, so now that I have ones in orange, and there are 10 ones. Now I'm finally ready to subtract. I'm ready to subtract 10 minus 5 equals 5. Moving to the tens place, 9 tens minus 4 tens equals 5 tens. Moving to the hundreds place, I have 9 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equals 6 hundreds. For my final answer of 655. Now I need to check, is my answer reasonable? There's 2 ways to check. First, I can use estimating. So I have 1000 minus, instead of 345, I round that to the nearest 100, which is 300. 1000 minus 300 is 700. And the answer that I got of 655 rounded to the nearest 100 is 700, so that shows that my answer is reasonable. Next, I can check with addition. I'm going to add the 345 and my answer of 655 and see if I get my starting number of 1000. So if I add it together, I can see that it equals 1000. So my answer is reasonable and correct.